Hello everyone. We will be discussing about the concept of object creation in web programming. Okay, what do you mean by an object? Object is nothing but it's a runtime entity. Okay, why do you need objects is nothing but in the memory I have to place the data for certain amount of time. Afterwards it has to get deleted by itself, or I may use the term delete and delete the element. So objects mainly what does it do is for a temporary purpose of time it will be using the memory. Afterwards, after its usage, that memory it will be allocated to the other any of the objects which are being created. So that is the concept of your object creation. So your object creation mainly how it is being done is, and mainly it is used in all the constructor. In a constructor what happens is one constructor to another constructor, if I want to call it, then I will be calling it through the help of the object. And how it is being created, it is being used and created through the keyword where my object is equal to new object. Like that it is said to be using that particular terms. In this case the constructor is called as an object only and it doesn't have any properties related to it. It may have the object relationship but it doesn't have any properties. Okay, mainly your property name it will be given whichever it is there when you are said to be creating an object. The object name plus property name is being considered when it has to be called. And mainly these object oriented elements are said to be used in the compile time. They are said to be used and dynamically they are said to be changing from one to another. And this object how it is being created, for an example you can check out here. While my car while my car is there, my car is going to make Ford, then model, some name it is being considered a counter SVT, like that any other name you can prefer. Okay, properties how it is being used is, okay, for prop 1 my car dot make. Okay, how the property is being used is my car dot make it is being provided. Then another property is there, that is where prop 2 is equal to my car make in double quotes. Either two way you can prefer it, either in double quotes or through dot you can prefer it. Okay, so here an example is being considered, you can check out here. For work prop in my car, property in my car is being considered document dot write what you are printing, the name, it is prop. Okay, property which is being considered and its value is being considered, that is my car property. It is being considered car property. What is the working over it, like what's the name, what is its model, that it will be preferred in the property part. Okay, like this an object is being created in the beginning and it is being used in the program. Okay, so here next part which you will be learning, which is in the fourth unit, is your array paths. Okay, arrays are nothing but the elements which are used for listing out the various aspects within one concept. Okay, one list I may provide. For example, weekly days. Weekly days means you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They can be grouped as single array with the keyword week, and that is equal to and all the elements you can write it like that. It will be listing out all the elements which are there in the array. Okay, so mainly the characteristics of an array. Okay, I can provide the index for it. You can check out here. The index part is being considered here, is how it is being represented as my list. Okay, my list 47 is equal to 4222. So I'll be providing a number. In that number only you can provide your object, and that object it will be reserving the place in that particular section. Okay, array object it is being listed in that particular section. Okay, another part is there where I can provide a list of elements or length of the list in that particular area, in that particular location 1002. Like that I can move and I can provide one location. In that location your data it will be present. So here an example is being created. So array, remember, it provides a list of elements. Okay, so here an example is being considered. What does it say? This example is, it has the var name list, that new name. Here also you are using the keyword new, through which the array elements are being considered A1, Betty, Casper, Michael, Robert, Zimbo. all these are there. And where new name, another concept is there. Okay, I want to provide another name, specifical name into the list. I will be using new name, index and last. That it will be considered for the other further specification. Index I want to provide in that particular area this element, then you will be using the index, and last element provides the last element which is there in the list. So while new name I want to provide, I will be prompting the statement please type a new name. Okay, so it is said to be in the last it will be introduced. After this list it has to introduce the new name here. So it is last is equal to new name list dot length minus 1. Length minus 1. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is there. So I will be providing from 0 to 6. Means 0 to 6 means here first element is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6 elements. But I will be starting with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is your last element. So 5 minus 1, it will be taking your next last, it will be considering 5 minus 1. So whatever elements are there, 6 elements. So 6 elements, 6 elements are there. So 6 elements are there. 6 elements minus 1 it will be considering. So fifth element is there. So last element is fifth. So after last element your new element it will be placed. So last, another condition is there. Last element greater than 0 and name list last. Okay, in the name list, the while it is greater than 0 and name list last is greater than your new name. Okay, when it is greater than new name, then name list last plus 1, it will be providing the list of all the elements. Name list last and last minus till last element, it will be considering your list of elements and it will be printing on the screen. Okay, so here name list last plus 1, insert a new name into the spot in the array, particular area I want to put it. So what I will do is new name list last plus 1, last element plus 1 it will be considering and it will be adding the element there. Okay, document dot write new name list is, it will take a break for index I is equal to 0, whichever index you are considering, and index less than name list, index should be less than name list dot length and index plus plus. Each and every time whenever it is said to be incrementing, so in that position plus 1 it will be considering and it will be printing the elements in that particular index element. So your 5 elements plus 1 is 6th element it will insert. Next plus 1 it will insert in the next position. Like that it will be incrementing and it will be printing the elements. Okay. This is the thing about the array and the object creation. Okay.